Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. We've got a little Haunted Mansion haul. All right, so we kind of did some shopping.
It's Haunted Mansion and Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah, Oh, yeah. I guess it's Nightmare Before Christmas, which is kind of Haunted Mansion inspired, right?
I don't know, maybe.
I don't know. Let me know, because I'm still learning, and we're becoming Haunted Mansion or Nightmare Before Christmas.
I don't know if it's inspired. It's Tim Burton, right? So
right.
He's kind of.
I love Tim Burton.
Right.
Yeah. Edward Scissorhands. Come on.
Who's the actress that he always uses? Like
his wife.
Are they still married?
Oh, I don't know.
What's her name?
I can't remember. Bellatrix.
Yeah, Bella. I was just gonna say.
Isn't that her name?
Bellatrix. Okay.
Hey, the things.
Wow, I can't believe you
the things
popped that into your mind.
Right?
You're not even like a huge Harry Potter fan.
No.
That just like you probably don't even know the names of half the characters.
No.
Okay.
Is she related to Angelina Jolie? I'm just curious. I mean, I don't know. So let's get right to it. So we picked up some things.
We did.
Where do we want to start? We want to start with the boxes or the bags?
I think the Haunted Mansion stuff is because I'm excited.
Let's start with the Haunted Mansion stuff. We found these in Target, I believe, and you know that we've been collecting Pop.
We kind of just started.
Funkos.
We started.
And so we found these, and you know what? I kind of like them. Right. So let's take a look. Here we go. All right, so we got the maid.
I really like her. She's a redhead.
Yeah, just like our kids.
Our kids. Yeah.
Cute
and really.
Oh no, this one doesn't bobble.
She's not a bobblehead.
There's no bobble there.
It's not a bobblehead.
Okay.
But you really, some of them, our viewers are correct. You can't see all of the great design unless you take them out of the box. And I know some people are in the box and some people are out of the box. We're out of the box.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I think I want to be out of the box.
What?
In the box. I want to be out of the box to show you the beauty of the Pops.
The beauty.
But I don't want a bunch of boxes sitting in my closet. So I think what I really want to do is I'm going to take them out, but I'm going to put them back in the box.
Okay.
Yeah, and maybe pull the ones out I want to display.
I mean, I've got my Mickey and Cinderella castle out of the box.
Yeah.
That was really important.
I think we're going to be in and out of the box.
What else?
What do you think? Here, let's check out this one. This one is Constance Hatchway.
She's the bride, right?
I think so.
She's the bride because they have the Constance wedding cake as one of the Halloween treats.
You totally messed up the magic, so we got to try it again.
Okay.
Here's the magic. Constance Hatchway. Yeah.
I really like their hairdos. They put a lot of time into like sculpting their hairdos.
You know what I think Pop Funkos should do next? They should start doing cupcakes.
Oh.
Because look, doesn't that look like, wouldn't that be a cool cupcake?
Looks like a cupcake.
Yeah.
They should have done a Constance cupcake.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Okay. So Constance, and last but not least on the Pop Funkos, we've got Alexander Nitrokov. All right.
He's bald. Just like you.
Bald is beautiful. What do you think?
Is he in his underwear?
He looks like he's in his underwear.
That's interesting.
Huh.
I may have missed a storyline from the Haunted Mansion.
Well, hey, that reminds me. We're going to be there next weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we'll go check it out and see if there is a storyline.
I'm sure there is. I just don't see any pants at all. I mean, I see like boxers, so...
Maybe he stands behind the counter.
Okay.
I don't know.
Awesome.
I don't know.
And those are the only 3 in that little collection, so we have them all.
Yeah. There's a lot more Haunted Mansion out there, but this little series is the only one. So
803, 802, 803, and 804.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Well, we also went to our local Heb, Harry E. Butts.
Harry E. Butts.
HEB. And we found these. Now, we're actually looking for the mystery ornaments. And we're still down to 1. We have to find Oogie Boogie.
Yeah, we don't have.
But they didn't have any. So I don't know if you know where to get the Nightmare Before Christmas
ornament, the mystery
ornaments. Let us know in the comments below, or hook us up with a link to order them or something, because we're still missing Oogie Boogie. If you happen to have 2 Oogie Boogies, P.O. Box is in the description. Hook us up, please, because I don't want to spend $100 for one. Which is what it's going to be.
So we saw Disney Mertz opening these, right?
Right. Disney Mertz. Shout out.
They're domed collectibles. So they have the characters inside of a little display dome.
Right.
Which you can't feel the package to see which one is in there, like the Nightmare Before Christmas.
We were trying to cheat on those, and
you can't do that. Okay, Armand. Do I get to open it?
Tell them which characters are possible here.
Okay, it says
we bought 4, by the way, so we're gonna open up 4 of these, and we're just starting these, so we're gonna see
and
what
there's
happens.
9 total that you can get.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So Vampire Teddy, Sally, Jack, 0. Pumpkin King, Pajama Jack, Oogie Boogie, Scary Face Jack, and then the Chase. So that's I guess the most rare.
The chase. Sure. Yeah.
I feel like that's something you used to say a lot.
The one you're chasing after.
The chase.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Okay.
The chase. You know what I'm talking about. All right. Here we go. Oh, you go first. You go.
Oh, and they're even in little cardboard, so you really can't.
Oh my goodness gracious.
All right.
I'm keeping you from it. All right. Who do we got? The first one. Is it the Chase?
I don't know. It's the pumpkin. Oh, it's the Pumpkin King.
Pumpkin King.
I wanted this one. I'm excited because I thought, oh my gosh, I want this one when I saw it on the back. I love it. The Pumpkin King, and there's the little stand.
All right. So are you in the case or out of the case?
In. You don't take these out.
Oh, you don't. All right.
No, they're like sealed in there. Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I bet they stack on each other though.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Did you open that from the top or the bottom?
The top.
Is there a perforation?
No,
or something?
I just ripped it. I did like a bag of potato chips.
There we go. I got the same one. It looks just like yours.
Open it.
All right. Let's see here. Oh, it's different.
Oh, good.
We got 2 different ones.
So if we don't recognize
it
would be the Chase.
Oh,
Pajama Jack.
Pajama Jack.
I like Pajama Jack.
That one's cool.
Pajama Jack's cool. Now let's see. Do these stack?
I think they
stack.
do. Stack those up.
They stack.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Okay. That way they're not going to take up so much room.
All right, so let's try to let's try to will it so that we don't get a dupe here. We're
willing it. Is that what we call it?
We're willing it. No dupe. Which one are we calling?
It's not a dupe.
It's not a dupe. That's good.
It's 0.
Oh, I love 0.
0.
Awesome.
He looks kind of interesting there.
Yeah.
I wonder if he glows in the dark.
He's a ghost. Does he glow in the dark? He might not be activated.
He doesn't glow in the dark.
You know, he might glow in the dark, but he's been in a dark bag, and so...
So we have to activate him?
So we might need to give some light, or some light. Let's see. I can't tell.
Okay.
All right, well, we got 0. I'm really excited about
I really like the Pumpkin King.
Okay.
That's my favorite one so far.
All right, last one.
Okay.
Last one. Okay.
Are we willing again? I don't think we will.
Oh, do we not will?
We will.
All right. I don't really believe in that malarkey anyway. All right, here we go. Let's see.
Larky, somebody said that. Oh.
Well, not in our Christmas ornaments, but we did get Oogie Boogie. Yeah. All right.
That's exciting.
Good.
We got 4 different.
We did.
We should have bought that whole box.
You know what? This is a good start to this new collection.
That's how the Nightmare Before Christmas ornament one started too.
So we let's just show all 4 of these.
I feel like we should have bought the whole box.
Stacked up. We got Oogie Boogie, Pumpkin King, Pajama Jack,
and Zero. I'm excited.
All right. Well, you know.
We need 5 more.
Oh, and then look.
What?
They connect.
Oh, they connect side
to side too. Side to side and up and down. So you can make like a little, that's
like a pyramid.
Okay.
Those are fun. I'm excited. I'm glad we got those. And literally, I'm super excited about Pumpkin King Jack. I just keep looking.
That's crazy. That's crazy. The things that they excite you. There was Pumpkin King.
Oh, right.
All right. So for those of you who've been watching the channel, you know we are headed off to Walt Disney World, and I just want to throw this out there because YouTubers typically watch all the way to the end. So I saved this to the very end for you YouTubers who might be in Walt Disney World next weekend over Halloween. We have an autograph book.
We'd like your autograph.
We would. So this autograph book, if you're a Disney traveler and you go to Walt Disney World or Disneyland, you get an autograph book and you go out and you get all the characters' autographs. But they're not doing that right now. Mm-hmm. So we have an autograph book, and we want to get fellow Disney YouTubers.
Or people that watch us.
Or possibly people that watch us. We want to get your autograph in the park.
We'll let you sign the book if you follow us, if you subscribe.
And give us a thumbs up. Yeah, like and subscribe. So if you happen to be in the park, put it in the comments below that you're going to be there over Halloween weekend. And we want to connect with you because, well, we are Disney Connexions. So we want to make sure and connect with you over the weekend. And we'll get your autograph. Okay?
Sounds good.
Awesome. Hey, check out the card above for our video, for our postcards. We definitely have a couple more days on that we will get you secured to send you a postcard from Magic Kingdom. Check out the video. And she can't find the video. She still doesn't understand the magic of YouTube. So check out the card above. We'll get you a postcard sent straight from Main Street with the unique, one-of-a-kind, only in the world stamp from Main Street.
Well, it's not one of a kind because every card you send from there is going to have this stamp.
Okay, it's unique and can only be found from... Anyway, just click the card, watch the video. You'll learn all about it and how to get your very own postcard sent to your house. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for being here. We thank all of our subscribers. We are creeping up on 500, and we're trying to get to there by next weekend, by Halloween. And so help us out by liking, subscribing, and sharing out to all your friends. We appreciate you being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.